Female landlords are more likely, more willing to let their properties to social tenants or tenants in receipt of housing benefit. There was a real understanding of the tenants and who are in that situation and a desire to help them.
Historically, I've always been very happy to have single mums who are on benefits, provided they've had a guarantor. The universal credit, I think, will be a huge issue moving forwards, and I think it's already been proved that the arrears rates in the areas where there is universal credit has just gone up hugely, and as a result of that I won't even consider housing benefit tenants in my properties any longer.
But the fact that there is this added pressure of tax relief being taken away from landlords and the way that they're taxed on their turnover rather than their profits, it's just going to put that extra bit of pressure on all of these women who are helping people who are sorely in need of help, to the extent that we heard some of those ladies today say that they're going to have to stop renting to people in the social housing sector, and I think that's the fallout from that is going to cause some real social issues which the government is going to have to address in the future. So
it's just simple numbers that you need security that you're going to get your rents, because otherwise you can't pay your mortgage.
What with all the new tax changes that are coming into play, the advice that I'd been given was the best strategy for me was to buy my first property and following properties via a limited company.
Personally, my effective tax rate will go from 24% to 44%, and I know people who will pay 83% and even 93%, and it can go infinite. I mean, we've compared it to, for example, a car hire company. If you said to a car hire company, oh no, you can't offset the costs of purchasing those cars because that would give you an unfair advantage over ordinary car owners. They're just not understanding the distinction between owning a house to live in and owning one to rent out. This is at a time that we're facing a housing shortage of all tenures. Instead, we've got a government that is slamming the providers of a massive amount of housing.